In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute Zoom audio without muting the computer. If you've ever needed to quiet your microphone in a meeting while still hearing everyone else, or while keeping other apps sounding normal, this is exactly what you want to do. The key idea is to mute inside Zoom itself, not your computer's system volume, so you can stay in the loop without broadcasting any background noise. Start by joining a Zoom meeting the way you normally would. Once you're in the meeting window, look for the Zoom toolbar. It typically appears along the bottom of the screen. On that toolbar, you'll see a small microphone icon labeled Mute. Click that Mute button. When you do, the icon will change to show it's muted, usually with a slash through the microphone, and the label will switch to Unmute. That visual change is your confirmation that your microphone is silenced within Zoom. At this point, the people in the meeting won't hear you, but their voices and any shared audio will still come through your speakers or headphones. Now, make sure your computer volume stays on. Leave your system volume at a comfortable level so you can hear the meeting clearly. This matters because if you turn down your computer's volume or press your keyboard's mute key, you're muting everything on your device, not just Zoom. Keeping your system volume on ensures you can still hear the conversation, alerts you care about, or audio from other applications you might be using alongside the meeting. Always use Zoom's mute instead of your system volume controls. Think of it this way. Zoom's mute controls what you send out. Your system volume controls what you hear. If you accidentally mute or lower your system volume, you'll lose the ability to hear the meeting and might miss important cues. By relying on the Zoom mute button, you maintain full awareness of the call while preventing your microphone from picking up keyboard clicks, side conversations, or background noise. A couple of quick checks can help. Watch for the muted microphone icon on the toolbar so you know your mic is off, and glance at the tiny input indicator next to the mic icon. If you see movement there while muted, that just means Zoom detects sound, but it isn't being sent to others until you unmute. When you're ready to speak again, simply click Unmute, and you're back in the conversation. That's it. Join the meeting, click Mute on the Zoom toolbar, keep your computer volume on, and rely on Zoom's mute rather than system controls.